order just came in. Voodoo donut, $20.75, going about 13 miles. Mileage is kind of crazy on this one, but it's leaving me in an area that's pretty good for orders. Thank you. You too. Damn, no extra tip, but I did get my next order right away. This one's a Starbucks, $14.50, going about 5 miles. It says knock on door loudly, leave on porch. All right, next order up is a stacked order, Taco Bell and Black Rock Coffee. I believe the total was $19, going about 4 miles. We're gonna hit up the Taco Bell first, just because I like giving people fresh coffee. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Awesome. There's these guys, and then you should be all set today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You as well. Bro, what are these instructions? Oh wait, I know where this is going. Never mind. Next order up is a kitchen table cafe, $7.75, going like 4 miles. Morning. Thank you. Total ended up being $8.75. I'll take that. And we got another kitchen table cafe. This one is $8, going 4 miles.
Are you on a bike?
Is it upstairs? Do I take this? It's another kitchen table cafe order, $19, going 13 miles. I'm gonna take it, dude. People are probably sick of me by now. Might as well be.
Your third time here in like less than an hour.
Next up, I've got a Starbucks, $14.75, going about 5 miles. Well, it is Saturday, so that means the farmers market is going on. And they're blocking the whole street, so there's no parking nearby. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. There you are. Quick update while I'm waiting for my next order to come in. Current time is 10:07. Current total is 105.25. I don't know if I've mentioned it yet, but it seems that the $12.75 base pay thing is still active. For some orders, that is. I'm still not sure what determines which ones it gets applied to. Because the tips themselves, trust me, they are not it. But anyways, I just got my next order. Shop and deliver for some alcohol, $14.75. I think it said it was going 5 miles. Only 2 items. Of course it's upstairs. It's always upstairs. And just scribble on that line for me. Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $10.50, going about 4 miles, only 4 items. this is going inside the, oh my god. This is going inside the mall. Thought I was going to one of the apartment complexes nearby. I really hope this pin is accurate because they did not give me a store name. So I don't know where this is going at. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Next order up is another shop and deliver for some alcohol. This one is $11.25, going about 5 miles, 3 items. Excuse me.
No.
Don't have it. What's this right here? And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Next order up is a Taco Bell. $17 going about 5.5 miles. 24 items, but luckily 19 of those are sauce packets.
Thank you. Have a great day.
$18.75 for that one. Nice. All right, I think I'm gonna call it there. I should really keep going, but I have plans and I still need to get lunch first. I'll leave some money on the table for someone else. Anyways, current time is 12:01. Current total is 160. Pretty good, pretty good. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. And yeah. Bye.